everyone, this is Nemo Ding, and today we're going to be talking about the limits, or at least the addition or the area of Tears of the Kingdom. So, new Nintendo game, Tears of the Kingdom. It's coming out May of next year, like May 23 or something like that. So, today we're just going to be talking about the size of TOTK compared to Breath of the Wild, BOTW. So, yeah, we're just comparing both and seeing the limitations of both. So, starting with Breath of the Wild, we're just diving straight in. I don't know how to do these stuff. Breath of the Wild from the Icefall Foothills, right? Yeah, Icefall Foothills to the Eventide Island. This straight line, and this straight line from the Gerudo Barrenland, Dragon's Exile, all the way to the North Lomai Labyrinth, right? No. What is this called? Don't tell me the it's like North Lomai Labyrinth, right? So, whatever labyrinth that is, you have that. It's this X area, also this area up top. So the width and this is the length and the width. If you actually multiply that, which is 9 times 6.8 kilometers, you get a number similar to 60.2. If you're American, which I am, I'm a Western. I'm not American, but if you're Western, and you use miles, it's gonna be around 30.8, if I'm not mistaken, miles. So for area, the Breath of the Wild map is 30 miles, around that, or 31 miles. And for Tears of the Kingdom, not only you have the sky, the land, and the cave, a cave system. So, first of all, with the sky, it's gonna be, I muted this for copyright purposes. For the sky, it's gonna be, many floating islands up top. You can already see one right here. Just count with me. 2, 3, 4, 5. There's one on top. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. In this area, there's more than 12 of these floating islands, and they seem to be man-made with the very pointy tip at the bottom. Nothing beats ice-cold water. So the many floating islands, and even after this scene, you have a weird dragon right here. You have many islands covered in thunder clouds. Many islands in this Korok Forest mist. And of course the 2 spewing malice things, volcano and castle. And since you've seen, wait for it, the castle having that little bit underground area, since the castle actually lift up in the first trailer, this is the underground area where you quote-unquote maybe fight the final boss. This is endgame. This is where this, Ganon lives. We finally get another Ganon, and see, the ground raises up. And and it might be the cause of this thing. This area might be underground. It looks underground. It's a cave. It's under Hyrule Castle. It looks similar to Hyrule Castle building with these walls. So that's a mini theory. So I guess that wraps up the things. I mean, you have to actually like find the areas of all these islands in order to actually, and the underground area, in order to find the actual area, the amount of space you have in TOTK, as well as the walls, the amount of walls, the amount of places you can climb, the height limit, basically everything. Even if like it requires game-breaking bugs, that will have, you have to do that in order to find out the area for TOTK. Breath of the Wild is just one flat ground. You can literally, length times width, you get that. Boom, bam, ba-boom, whatever. You get it. Great. But TOTK, you actually have to find not only the underground and the islands. Every island. Every surface area. Every climbable surface. Basically everything that the player can step on, you have to add that to the area. So it's not really a fun thing to do, but if someone would like to calculate all these islands, thank you. I mean, no one would pay you, but good. So that's a wrap up for the video, and I'll see you guys next time.